restore the gut, you're not chasing erections. This is the part men underestimate. They think the gut is about digestion. It's not, it's about signal quality. The gut determines whether the body feels safe enough to allocate resources to performance. When resources are scarce, performance gets cut. When resources are abundant and clean, performance resumes. When you restore the gut, you're not chasing erections. You're restoring the environment that makes erections automatic. When you reduce inflammation, clean up lymphatic flow, improve absorption, and stabilize hormones, the system doesn't need reminders. It remembers what to do.